The topic of today's video is how to sell your shoes on Stockx. So here we are on the Stockx website, and the first thing that you want to do is sign up if you haven't already, or log in. So you just want to fill out this form here, quick and easy. First name, last name, email address, and a password. Agree to their privacy policy and hit sign up. Now, once you're done there, what you want to do is click on sell and then new listing. So we want to choose our product. So what you need to do is click in the search bar, search for the name of your product, the color, whatever you need, and find it in this drop down menu. So let's just pick these. Now it's going to outline how this is going to work. So you're going to list your item. You can either bid or you can sell it at a set price. Then you're going to ship said item out to Stockx, and they will verify the item, make sure it is what you say it is. And then when somebody makes this purchase, of course, they will pay you out once it's been shipped and verified. Now they will charge you a $15 fee, and that will be just for in case you try to not ship them the shoes. So then they will charge that onto your account. So keep that in mind. And when you are happy, you can click on I understand. And from there, the process will begin. Of course, I'm not going to click on this because I don't have any shoes I'm looking to sell on Stockx. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.